Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you to weave the properties and actions available for the HTML elements or the document. To weave that, already we are aware of the console.log to print the data into the console. But I want to access the properties and actions available in this elements. First check with console.log by writing just document, which will basically a HTML document code. So let me go back to a browser and refresh it. You can see here I am getting the HTML code available in this index.html, but I want to access the properties and actions available in this document. To do that, instead of log, I'll be using dir, which will in return provide me the properties and actions available in this element. So same way you can give a try on any other element, just like img tag. To access the properties of this, what I have to do is, let me again reset it to log, and I'll write it here document.get element by id im1. So let me save it. Let me go back here and check. You can see I'm getting here the element, but I want to access or weave the properties and actions of this element. To do that, instead of log, I'll be using dir. So let's go back and see here. You can see the properties and actions available here, and the same we can access using a dot. For example, let me remove this now, and I can attach dot on click, and I'll write here function with t, and then I'll just provide an alert, hello there. So let me save it and go back to browser. Let me refresh this, and if I click this, you can see it's working fine. This is how we can see the properties whenever you use or do it. Thank you.